There is one restored classic section in which there are 3 international classics, out of which I think one is India premiere, rest 2 are Asia or world premieres. 7 special restored classics which will be showcased to the world for the first time, which has been done by the Indian government under the National Film Heritage Mission, Film Bazaar, which happens along the side of IFFI, and that is basically for filmmakers, for the whole ecosystem, which from internationally we have film festival directors, we have marketing agents, we have sales agents who attend this section. And in this also, we, like the master classes which are for general IFFI delegates, it's also meant for the filmmakers so that they know the nuances and the current topics which are of importance in filmmaking and film production and film releases. So that will be covered, and a lot of celebrities are endorsing that also. I think Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Aditi Rao Hayatri, and a lot of other people are also coming in various sessions of pertinent discussion for the film enthusiasts and filmmakers. Next. Creative Minds of Tomorrow. This is an initiative which was started with the vision of our Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Shri Anurag Singh Thakur. And this will be the 3rd edition for it, and this time we feel that we have completed the circle. Last year the new thing which was introduced was having these 75 creative minds to be divided into 5 teams and having a team competition for making short films. So there were 5 short films made and one of them was awarded also. This year, apart from just the short film making competition, which is done in association with an international shorts TV, which is of international repute. And apart from that, we have also introduced 2 days of master classes in which Berlinale Film Festival is participating, in which they are taking a master class, and other important masters are also taking their master classes for 2 days. After that, after the competition is finished, we are also having these people to stay back, these creative minds, and visit the film festival. They also experience the film bazaar, and eventually one day of talent hunt recruitment is also being organized, in which 15 important and internationally acclaimed production companies have already given their consent, and they'll be participating. They are reviewing their resumes and they'll be doing 1-to-1 recruitments here at the Creative Minds of Tomorrow.